Hey everybody, so today we're doing a video on cartwheel. So the first progression that we're going to do here, what I want you guys to think of is you always want to be working on a line. So if I start facing this way, I visualize a line coming out from my body, and I'm going to put my hands down like this on the line, fingers facing away from me, straighten this leg, and as it comes over, I'm going to hop to the other leg and come back down, finishing on that same line. Okay, so I'll demonstrate that one again. Just like that, nice and simple. So I'm not trying to get my bum up very high here. All I'm trying to do is focus on my legs being completely straight and I'm hopping from one leg to the other. So the second progression, all we're going to do is start to bring the shoulders up a little bit, the hips up a little bit over the shoulders. But my legs are still going to go out that way. I'm not trying to get my legs to go over just yet. So watch. And again. So you can see, I don't even need to rush it. There's not momentum that creates this movement a lot. It's just about getting in the right position and then giving yourself a little jump so that you can get over. Now the next one, now we are going to start bringing the legs straight over the top, but we're going to do it from starting in a squat position. It keeps your center of gravity a bit lower. It's a little bit simpler. So check it out. Okay, so you can see I'm just going a little bit more straight over the top like that. And then for the last one, this is the full cartwheel. What you want to do, you want to start facing this way, okay? And we want to finish facing this way. So I'll show you this way. I'll just demonstrate it like this. I'll explain it, sorry. So from here, if I'm starting with my right foot forward with perfect gymnastics technique. So right foot forward, I'm going to put my right hand down first and left hand down. They're both going to come down together. My hands are going to face that way. And what you can do to warm up for this, as you bring your hands down, you bring your leg up. So you go 1, 2, and then on the third one, you go into your cartwheel. So I'll just show it from a different angle here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? We'll go this way now. 1, 2, 3. And you can see I just start and finish facing in the opposite directions. And then as you get better, you're going to point your toes, you're going to try and open your legs up as wide as you can get them, and the cartwheel will start to look nicer, it will start to flow a little bit better. You can start to slow them down a little bit if you want to play around with it. And that's it, guys. Those are the 4 progressions for how to do a cartwheel. And I just want to give a big shout out to GitPo, username on YouTube, for requesting this video. Thank you so much, man. It means so much that you're watching our videos and that you're requesting more. And if any of you guys want to see anything, if you want us to make any videos on anything movement related, weightlifting, gymnastics, calisthenics, mobility, please leave us a comment and we'll do our best to get it out to you as soon as possible. Thanks guys, have a great day.